Yo, what's up, guys? This is the Cars Nerd here, and today I'm going to be boxing Mini Racers Series 4 Cars on the Road edition. Yeah, free plus, and they're metal. I think they're die casts. On the back, who cares? Moving on. I haven't opened these in a really while. Gaskets. Mr. Gaskets. Number 80. Number 42 gaskets in the series. Next. Luigi. Number 44. Already have that one. Oh, my back. Moving on. Number 1. Purple rain. Oh, Spearmint. Number 48, I think. Is yeah, wait, 46. Next one. Oh. Number 1. I need to get. Oh, look. Got Ivy. Number 40. Monster truck. Next. Okay, nothing cool to see here. Bling bling Lightning McQueen. Number, what is it? 38. Alright, 3 more. Okay, number 48. Wait a minute. Wait, which one's 48? Oh. Oh, let's look it up anyways. And oh, Chick Hicks. Number 86.
You don't care. I know.
Alright, 2 more. Oh, it's one of the Dino cars. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Number 37. I just like it. Number 39. Who would it be? Red Lightning McQueen. I was really expecting another dinosaur, but well, that's all from the Cars Nerd. So, yep, that's all from the Cars Nerd. Peace.